So this is the Chicago Hardy that I put in a past video. It actually died to the ground this past winter, and it came back really nicely. And the stalks that it's sending up, I just narrowed it down to 3 main ones, and we'll see which ones do best. And I'll probably end up keeping one at least, but maybe 2. So what I did, it set a bunch of figlets, and I wanted to give them the best opportunity for growth and ripening. So a few days ago, I pinched off the top on the 2 largest stalks here. And what I wanted to do was promote some energy and some growth for the figs. And I know another way to get some side growth is to do the same thing. This wasn't here 3 days ago. This is doing really good. Kind of surprised me. These 2 new branches also were not here a few days ago. So I'm going to let them grow out a little bit and we'll see. But the main thing I want to do is get some fruit production, because we have figs all the way up and down at most of the nodes already, which was kind of surprising for me. A pleasant surprise, of course, but still surprising. So let me know what you think. Also, if you would let me know in the comments what you think about varieties for zone 7A. I'm outside of Philly, and right now I have about 15 varieties. I want to expand that a little bit and get my collection growing. If you have any recommendations for this area, let me know. They don't necessarily have to be in-ground trees, because I do have quite a few potted trees, and I'm perfectly happy getting figs off of them as well. As a matter of fact, another Chicago Hardy that I had actually gave me a fig that ripened already. We ate it, I think it was yesterday. It was delicious. It was the only one on that tree that was ready. The tree has probably 30 to 40 figs that are growing on it, and I'm looking forward to eating a lot of figs off of that one. And that's a potted tree that I've had now. This is the 4th year. Figs are delicious. I know a lot of people don't necessarily like Chicago Hardy figs. They say that they don't have a whole lot of flavor, but maybe they're not growing them correctly, or maybe they're just rushing. 1st year, 2nd year trees don't have the greatest tasting figs. But as they age, they mature, they get better. The tree learns how to make nice, beautiful figs, and they taste a lot better after the 2nd year or so. So let me know if you have any recommendations on which varieties I should grow now and add to the collection. In the meantime, this one here, we'll keep an eye on it. I'll let you know how it's doing over the next few months. Hopefully this coming winter won't be as severe as the last, and it'll make it through. So thanks for watching. As I said, if you have any comments, have any recommendations for different varieties, put it down in the comments, and I will see you next time.